How to log in to Chick-fil-A account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Chick-fil-A account using a desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your web browser and now here, once you're inside the web browser, simply click on the search bar and simply search for Chick-fil-A. And now here, once you search for it, simply click on the first link on the result page. And here, once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the official website of Chick-fil-A. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply click on the sign in option shown in the top right side of the screen. And once you click on that, so here on the next page, now type in your email address and password linked to your Chick-fil-A One account. And here, if you used Google or Apple to sign up, make sure to select that option instead. And now here, once you're done entering your credential, just click on sign in button to access your account. And here, if you forget your password, just click on forget password. And after that, just follow the on-screen prompts to reset your password. And that's it. That's how you can log in to Chick-fil-A account on your desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.